In this video, I will show you how you can use Midjourney AI to create stunning product images for your actual products without the need for expensive cameras. Midjourney AI is an ideal solution for e-commerce and Amazon sellers who want to showcase their products in the best possible light and background. So basically, there are two methods to do it, and I'm going to share both of them. Let's dive right in and see how easy it is to create stunning product images with Midjourney AI. The very first thing we need to do is choose our product picture and then remove the background. For this, all you need to do is just go to this website called remove.bg. Just upload your image here and it does the job for you, and then you can just download it without the background. Now that this is done, the first method for creating stunning product images with Midjourney AI is through the blend feature. For this, we first need to begin by creating a separate background image. And so let's type in imagine. So let's say I want a large field with mountains in the background. Let's make sure it's 16 by 9 and that it's created by the latest version of Midjourney AI, which is version 5 or V5 in short. And press enter. So now all we have to do is wait a couple of minutes for the AI to create images for us. And now that we've got 4 different variations, let's go ahead and take a look at which one we like the most. I'm thinking I like the second one the most. It looks really smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and upscale this one. Again, it's gonna take a little bit of time. Well, that was pretty fast. And now it looks super smooth and nice. I think it works great for our background. Once you have chosen your background image and upscaled it, now we can blend our product image with the background. To do that, all we have to do is type in the chat /blend. Make sure you've saved this background file on your PC. Yes. And then just upload it here. And then upload your product image without the background as well. Now first, let's add more prompts to make sure it's rendered in 16 by 9. And then let's make it more realistic as well. And let's see what we get. Of course, keep in mind that these results are not always 100% accurate, so you may need to keep re-rolling a couple of times to get the results that you want. And now we'll wait. Alright, and let's take a look at the results. The first one looks really good in my opinion. The third one, well, it's kind of floating in there. As I said, the results are not 100% accurate, so just keep re-rolling if you're not happy with the results so far, and I'm sure you'll find something that makes you happy. But I will right now go with the first one as I think it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and just upscale the first one. And there you go, we have our product image. Now, if you do have any text on your product image, then it will probably get disrupted. So you will need to fix that in Photoshop. But other than that, I think we should move on to the second method. So the second method for creating stunning product images with Midjourney AI involves uploading your product image and using the /imagine feature. First, open Midjourney AI and just upload your product picture to Discord. And then go ahead and then just open the image and copy the link. So now let's just type in /imagine, paste our link here, and then we can continue adding some descriptions of the desired background we want for our product. So let's say I want a rainy weather, large grass field and trees in the background. And let's make sure it's in 16 by 9 resolution, and let's hit enter. And now we shall wait for the results. It will generate 4 images again, and then we can choose the one we like or just re-roll it again. And then once we have the image that we want, we can just upscale it and save it. And there you go, it generated 4 images. Let's take a look. I really like the first one, so I'm gonna go ahead and upscale it. Oh, actually the fourth one is looking really realistic as well. So yeah, there you go. That's how it works. Obviously, if you don't like the results you first see, you can just re-roll it or add a couple of more extra words to describe the picture you want. So there you go. By using this method, you can easily create stunning images that look super realistic. Like, look, it even has rain on it. Like, that's insane. Even I can't believe how realistic it looks. And from now on, you will never need any more expensive equipment or any photography skills at all. And there you have it, 2 super easy methods for creating stunning product images using Midjourney AI. Remember to keep in mind that the product may have up to 90% similarity, and that in the coming weeks, Adobe Firefly will be released with the ability to achieve 100% product similarity. With these tools and techniques, you can elevate your product images to the next level and stand out in the marketplace. So make sure to subscribe to our channel for further insights, tutorials and recommendations on optimizing Midjourney AI and other AI software. And I will see you.